Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine there. Students, as I requested you yesterday, I hereby once again want to ask all of you that please do your homework regularly and watch our videos daily, as this is very important for our study. So students, today we will start our video session with the new theme of our book, and that is animals on the farm. So in this session we will discuss about animals homes, like dog lives in a kennel, cow lives in a shed, a horse lives in a stable, and a lion lives in a den. So, student, these are the animals' home. So, now we will revise a rhyme, and that is Old MacDonald. Check it in the video.
Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there were some ducklings, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there were some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a beep beep here, there a beep everywhere, beep beep. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there were some calves, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-I. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there were some kittens, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a mew mew there, here a mew, there a mew, everywhere mew mew. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-E-I. Old MacDonald had a farm,
Now, students, we will move to our next session. In this session, students, we will learn about houses of farm animals. So, students, open your I Can Beginner book 5 and go to page number 29. Page number 29. Here we have an activity, that is animal homes. So students, Look here, a horse lives in a stable. So match the horse with the third picture. Now students, look at the dog. A dog lives in a kennel. So match it with the second picture. And now in the last, look at the hen. A hen lives in a chicken coop. So match it with first picture. And student, complete this exercise. Okay. Now we will move to our next session. In this session, student, we will revise letter T, T, T. For this, first we will revise letter T song. For this, I have a video for you. Listen to it very carefully.
T was Rani Bunny toothpaste.
Students, now once again open your book 5 and go to page number 30. Here we have an activity that is meet letter T. Students, now firstly look at the left side of this page. Here we have an image of letter T. So, student, you have to color in this image and now look at the page and start with me. T, tiger. T, table. T, tortoise. T, tap. T, tub. Okay. Now move to page number 31. Here we have again an activity that is meet letter T. So here we have some images, but we have to color in only those images whose first letter is letter T. So firstly check all the images one by one. Sunflower. T, top. T, train. T, tree. Snail. So students, color in T, top, T, train and T, tree and complete this exercise. Now students, we will move to our next session. In this session, we will play a game with the help of clay. Student, kindly check in the video.
Students, now activity time. Take some clay dough and with the help of this clay, make small balls.
Okay, now student, we will sing a rhyme, and that is 8 arms of the octopus. Now start singing with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 arms does an octopus keep. They help him to jump and leap. And when he is sad and want to weep, with his 8 little arms he swim away deep. Okay, student, repeat this rhyme at your home again and again. Now we will move to our next session. In this session, students take one blank drawing sheet and with the help of your parents, trace letter H, and after tracing letter H, draw an image of a horse like showing on your screen now. After draw an image, take some different color grains and with the help of glue, paste these grains on the horse. And after pasting, take black crayon and fill color in his feet and complete this exercise. Okay, students. Now we will move to our next session. In this session, students, we came to an end of this video session. But before ending, I would like to revise all the activities which we performed today. First, we discussed about animal homes. Then we revised a rhyme, and the title of the rhyme is Old MacDonald. Then we completed our book work on page number 29. After that, we revised letter T song and also completed book work on page number 30 and 31. Then we learnt about number 8 with the help of clay and also revised another rhyme, that is 8 arms of the octopus. Then we done some practical work. Now students, tell me, do you enjoy this session? So in the end, we will once again revise goodbye song. Look at the screen and start with me. Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say goodbye. But first, walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Stop. Hop, hop, hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance. Stop. Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say goodbye, friends. So, students, that's all for the day. Tomorrow, I'll catch you with some more study material. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and thank you.